Hey guys, it's Poochie. By the end of this video, you will have 5 suppliers who ship from one location. Now, why is that important? If you're drop shipping on eBay, a lot of people who are drop shipping, especially those who are doing manual drop shipping, like to just use suppliers that ship from one location because then they can put in the actual location of the items and not have to put in multiple or multi-state warehouses or USA or whatever on the location. They like to put in one location where the items actually ship from, because then you don't get dinged from eBay for shipping from the wrong location. Like if you say that the item is in New York, New York on eBay and it ships from Los Angeles, California, ding, goes against your account. Okay, eBay wants you to ship from the item's location that you have on eBay. Now, if you use a lot of different locations, eBay allows you to put in multiple or whatever for the item location. Okay, but let me give you 5 right now, excuse me, that ship from one location. A lot of people who are doing manual drop shipping, I do a manual drop shipping boot camp course. It is $49.99 and it teaches you all you need to know to do manual retail arbitrage drop shipping on eBay or manual wholesale drop shipping on eBay. Okay, a lot of people like to do that because if you use API based software, okay, not to do wholesale drop shipping, not to do other things like just listing, but to do retail arbitrage drop shipping. If you use API, a lot of us think, or API based software, a lot of us think your account gets flagged. Okay, so I have a manual drop shipping boot camp course for eBay, and what I tell people is it's handy to have items that ship from one location. It's not necessary, but it is handy if you do, if everything says multiple locations, okay, it's good to have at least a few that ship from just one location. So let me give you a few. VM Innovations, okay? VM Innovations ships from one location, and that location is Lincoln, Nebraska 68521. Okay, VM Innovations has all sorts of stuff on their website. Again, Lincoln, Nebraska 68521 is where they ship everything from. Okay, Ukes, okay, fashion, design, art. Okay, women's, men's, kids. One of the best things to sell on eBay is clothing. Okay, or online in general. A lot of people buy their clothes online, and so Ukes ships from Clifton, New Jersey 07014. Okay, here's another one, Woodcraft. Okay, again, these are all just like they sound. Okay, you can Google them, but it's like woodcraft.com, ukes.com, vminnovations.com. Okay, so Woodcraft ships from Parkersburg, West Virginia 26102. Parkersburg, Parkersberg, West Virginia 26102. Woodcraft, and that's a lot of like guy stuff, tools, hand tools, hardware, power tools, all sorts of stuff. Okay, here's one that is going to be popular right now, Wholesale Halloween Costumes. So again, wholesaleHalloweenCostumes.com. Okay, free shipping on everything over $49, okay, and 10% off site-wide. Okay, wholesaleHalloweenCostumes.com, and they ship from New Berlin, Wisconsin. I do not have the zip code, but you can look that up online or just call them. New Berlin, Wisconsin. Okay, now let's go to the last one we have. I told you I'd do 5, right? Wholesale Beddings. So wholesalebeddings.com. If you use the code fall25 when you're shopping, you get an extra 25% off. Okay, so again, these are hot sellers because people are always buying sheets and pillowcases and all sorts of stuff like this. So wholesalebeddings.com ships from La Mirada, California 90638. It is La, L-A, and then capital M-I-R-A-D-A, California 90638. So there are 5 suppliers that ship from one location, okay? And a couple of them are wholesale, at least they say they're wholesale companies. So let's go through it again. VM Innovations, that has all sorts of stuff, okay? Ukes, and again, all these are .com right after the name. Woodcraft, wholesale Halloween costumes. Get on that right away if you're going to want to do that, because it's what, October 3rd now. And also wholesalebeddings.com. Now, all of these are suppliers that are on SKU Grid. So if you want to sign up for SKU Grid, go ahead and do so. And again, my manual dropshipping course for eBay teaches you how to set up the entire SKU system for manual drop shipping. So it's non-API based, so it won't get your account flagged. So there you have it. Make sure you join my group, my Facebook group, Poochie's Pack. The link is down below. And also subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of videos that I'm coming out with to try to help sellers, whether they're experienced sellers or new sellers. So I hope you liked it. If you did, click the like button, and we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.